Welcome to COL's Multi-Asset Investing Summit entitled Embracing Uncertainty. My name is Trish Kaong. I'll be your facilitator for today's event. So for those new, or if you've been attending for a while, because we hold this every 2 years, right? I just wanted to give you a brief background also of why we call it the COL Multi-Asset Investing Summit. So number one, as I mentioned, it's held every mid-year and end of the year. So again, making this our first for 2023. And it's held every 6 months or so because we believe in the value of rebalancing, staying active in the market, and always checking at the status of your portfolio. Number two, we call it the Multi-Asset Investing Summit because we believe in the value of diversifying in multiple asset classes. So our program today also reflects this approach. Our invited guests are experts in particular asset classes, fixed income, and equities for both global and local markets. And today we'll hear their views. To further set the tone for today, we thought it would be interesting to get your views, conduct a survey, get to know your thoughts and sentiments coming into the event about today's market. We do this every summit, and it's quite interesting to see how sentiment changes over time together with changes in market events. We asked you 5 questions, and here are the results. It's also interesting to see how results change every time that we survey you. So number one, we asked you, at what level do you think the PSEi will be in 6 months? What we're seeing now versus the last time we asked you, which was in November or December last year, was that a lot more people, while less bullish, there are less bullish people and also less bearish people, we see a lot more people feeling neutral about where the index will be. Second question, we asked you, what is the greatest risk in the market going into the second half of 2023? Very similar to views or the sentiments last year, looks like the biggest headwinds we see are really globally. So for now, answers mainly consist of fears against recession in the US or if the US tech rally fades. Third question, we also asked you, what is your top consideration when choosing your investments over the next 3 to 6 months? Close call, but priority is for investments that provide regular income or dividends. A very close second is our investments that promote steady growth with medium risk. So it's really about getting your money to work for you while you wait for opportunities, while also managing volatility and risk in your portfolio. Next, we also asked you, which of the following products have you invested in? And we are seeing a shift from local stocks to other investments. Also there were income paying options, funds for local and funds for global. Lastly, we asked you where you plan to increase or decrease your exposure among these assets. And here were your answers. So as reflective also of answers in the previous question, priority is now on income paying funds. Second, there's still interest on local stocks. And we'll see how today's conversation affects these answers, right? Followed by local and global funds. Thank you so much for your participation. It's always good to get a sense of where our investors are.